SalesLoft Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to SalesLoft are in the description below. In this video, we'll dive into SalesLoft, an advanced sales automation platform designed to help sales teams increase productivity, streamline workflows, and close more deals. Whether you're part of a small team or a large enterprise, SalesLoft's range of features offers everything you need to optimize your sales process and drive revenue. SalesLoft's sales engagement tools are its core strength. The platform allows sales teams to easily automate repetitive tasks, like sending follow-up emails and tracking client interactions, all while keeping the communication personalized. The email sequencing feature lets you schedule and customize outreach campaigns, so you can engage with leads consistently and efficiently. Plus, SalesLoft's built-in analytics give you insights into how your emails and calls are performing, helping you fine-tune your approach for better results. Another key feature is dialer and call tracking. SalesLoft's integrated dialer enables teams to make calls directly from the platform, log them automatically, and track key metrics like talk time and call outcomes. This helps sales reps stay focused on selling while maintaining accurate records of every interaction. SalesLoft also integrates seamlessly with your existing CRM and other tools. This ensures that your sales team has access to the most up-to-date customer data, enabling them to make more informed decisions and build stronger relationships with prospects. The platform's real-time activity tracking also allows managers to monitor team performance and provide real-time feedback. The platform is specifically designed for sales professionals, from SDRs to account executives, making it a great choice for teams looking to boost their outreach efforts and improve conversion rates. With its combination of automation, personalization, and data-driven insights, SalesLoft is an invaluable tool for any sales team aiming to increase efficiency and accelerate the sales cycle. In conclusion, SalesLoft offers a comprehensive suite of tools that can transform how sales teams engage with prospects and manage their workflows. Check the description below for more details.